All right, so today's project, we're going to be putting that axle right there into that truck right there. We got Taylor from Coke Mobile Equipment Repair here. He's my oldest son. He's gonna be doing the handyman stuff on this, and we'll just kind of take some videos as we get this axle installed, make that a true heavy haul truck. We're putting that axle into that hole right there. Taylor, what do you think? How long is this gonna take you, man? Like 20, 30 minutes or what?
3 weeks.
3 weeks? Holy 3 weeks. What's it look like in here?
Nice.
It's gonna be pretty simple. Isn't your job simple all the time?
Yeah, all the time.
Are you excited about this? He's pretending like he's not excited, but he actually is very excited to put this axle in. Don't let him fool you, kids. Got his crane up, got the axle in place. How's it going? What do you gotta do next?
Put it in.
That's it?
Uh-oh.
What's the next step? You have to reposition your crane. Will it reach from there now? What do you gotta do now? You gotta lift the axle up into position with your crane. Well, somebody didn't do enough homework on this drop axle. We're having troubles getting the geometry to work right with the airbags and the frame height and stuff, so working through that dilemma, we'll get it figured out. For every problem, there is a solution. So we're trying to figure out the shims, tire size, what's gonna work right on this truck here. Getting closer. So first, the low pro tires, we weren't getting enough ground pressure to make a difference, and our bags are extending way too far, so we tried to build a shim just to see if we can get the geometry to work. Doesn't look like it's going to work out, so we're probably going to have to go with bigger tires, which I did not want to do because it's going to eliminate ground clearance that you need a lot in the off-road type of conditions we're in. But we're going to mock up some bigger tires here, see if we can make it work. Well, we're back here checking on Taylor on his drop axle install. It looks like it's Wednesday, but it's Thursday. We're still working on this. Tay, how's it going, buddy? What are you working on now, Taylor? Is it the oversized sign?
Yes.
Taylor's finishing up the mounts for the oversized sign. I'm gonna run down to the tire store, pick up some tires, put on that drop axle, get some 4 new tires, 2 new fancy polished aluminum wheels.
Brother,
Get rid of those old tires there. Hoping to have this wrapped up today so Grandpa Stan can go trucking on Monday. Let's go, Grandpa Stan. All right, just dropped tires off down at the local tire store. Get some new aluminums, 4 new tires, 2 new aluminum wheels. Problem is they will not have them for a couple days. So we're not gonna be able to get this buttoned up today. Looks like Taylor's got the oversized sign up there mounted. She's coming along good, but not gonna finish today. We will do a really cool reveal when we get it all wrapped up. Well, it still looks like Wednesday out here, but it's not. It's Sunday. And I came in today to finish up truck 83. Taylor got the drop axle buttoned up late Friday night. We had to get some new tires rounded up yesterday. We're gonna throw those on today because we got a call yesterday for a recovery job. I need all the fleet out there Monday morning, so we're here buttoning this up. I got help today. You might recognize this guy, Visor. Visor makes another appearance. I was gonna show you some of the other things he can do besides snowmobile and rip it off his helmet. Visor.
Yep.
Did you put the cap on?
Yeah.
What are we doing today?
We're gonna get all the trucks ready for recovery.
That's right. Right there. Yep, that's on. There you go. Push the clutch in. Make sure it's out of gear. You know how to do it. What do you got there, Visor?
295, 75, R2 2.5 tires going in the new drop axle.
What are you doing?
Putting all the lug nuts on the new tires
How do you do it?
with an impact.
Is that Mac Impact a good one? Hey Visor, what are you doing?
This old sight glass for the hub is broken, so yeah, replace it with a new one. And we don't have a drain pan, so we gotta make a new one.
How do you do that?
Razor blade, an old Anderson can.
Oh, that's a good trick. What's wrong, Visor?
The whole entire hub is cracked, so you can see under there it's like smashed.
Oh, yep. So what we gotta do now?
You gotta replace the whole hubcap.
Visor, what do you got?
Got our new hub seal from Napa. Gotta get this old seal off, which is pretty easy. Just came right off. Now we're gonna have to put a new seal on, and we're gonna put this on.
Visor, is that all you gotta do?
Yeah.
Visor, is that all you gotta do?
Yeah.
Visor, do you feel like you're finishing your brother's job on a Sunday?
Yeah.
What do you think he's doing today?
Working.
How do you work? How do you think they work? Well, that's all we're doing to truck 83 for now. It was more of an upfit, not so much of a build. We painted it, we cleaned it up, oversized sign, added the drop axle, just got it ready to go trucking, and it will be leaving in the morning on this big job we just landed yesterday with Grandpa Stan behind the wheel. If you're looking to buy trucks, have trucks upfitted or built, give us a call. Maybe we can help you out. So I got Taylor out here working on truck 83 again, finishing up some stuff that didn't get finished before we sent it out on the big recovery job. We got the oversized sign plumbed today. We got the drop axle plumbed and wired today. Taylor did a whole service on it as well. We also added some safety lights for oversize. Got those here and there and there. And now Taylor's got to prime it because we changed the fuel filters.
Hating my life.
So we had to rig up a contraption to bleed this out. So on these Detroits you have to pressurize the fuel system there through that port with that tool. Learned today about these Detroits, Taylor. You have to have that. Is that a learning day?
Yeah, I guess.